No, they don't motivate you. They're just making money by their words.
Point if
So
you purchasing an
its
online buy and
discipline
that
come
and
from our side.
So in the
that's it.
class also we have
But
the same
as a
thing. The teacher
discipline, we
only
have that
came for.
maintain line.
Listen to me just first of all. I'm just what I am saying. Morning, as we all know, we are here for a group discussion on online or offline classes. We are in favor of offline classes, and in offline classes I think it's better than online classes in a lot of factors, like when you are in an offline class you can learn more things with more discipline and concentration. So I think offline classes is better than online classes.
I think online classes are more better than offline classes because in offline classes we have to come in the class and like it is lots of time wasting, and in online classes just we have to on the computer and we have to start the class and take the classes, and there is no restriction also.
But sometimes many internet issues are sometimes in the rainy season internet issues it takes a lot of time and
Okay, in I agree, but in the raining season we also can't come in the class. So at that time, like the network issue will only for 5 to 6 minutes, and then we can continue with our class. But like it's raining outside, so we can't come in the class like whole day. So I think it is time waste. Online classes are much better than offline classes.
You are talking about time waste, and so in online classes there's a big issue of time management. Like once you are started online classes, initially you are very confident and you have a lot of motivation to regulate your classes regularly. You will take classes on daily basis on time, but after some time you are just lacking in confidence because you are alone studying. You don't have that much confidence. There's no one who is motivate you for taking classes regularly. Sometimes you just miss your one class, and there's a start backlog classes, like you are just one class then two class, and after some time you can see that there's a lot of classes you don't even take now, and it's a big issue with time management in online classes. But in offline classes, if you are, it's a kind of responsibility. You are going to class. If sometimes you don't feel like I don't go to class and you don't want to study, but when you enter in a class you feel the energy and the confidence the other students will take in class. You automatically want to take classes. So I think offline classes is better in that way.
As you mentioned that we face lack of confidence in going for the offline classes, and sometime teacher call you, sometime people laugh at you. So it is the reason also the lack of confidence.
It's not a reason of lack of confidence. When you face these things first time, you may feel like you may feel bad about that. You feel like that I don't know anything, everyone laughing at me, but after some time you will get confidence by that. If in online classes, if you don't face these kind of situations, these kind of difficulties in your life, you can't even speak in your life because you don't face these things anywhere. It's a important things to face. Like if you are not facing struggles, you can't learn.
In online classes you have to face a challenge because there are also lots of people join the classes. If you go for the online, you can see that we no one can arrange online classes for single person. So if I am talking about the presentation and how we are going to represent ourselves, so there are lots of people, so they can judge us, and we have to face them also. So that's why we can build our confidence by the online classes also.
It's not about building confidence and that kind of things. Online classes is not that type of restrictions and determination in online classes. Online classes is only depend on your choice. Like you want to join, you can join, and no one there is to call you for joining classes. And sometimes a lot of distraction also in online classes. Like while you are taking online classes, you may find any notification, you are just visit another application, social media and all these kind of things. So it's full of distractions also.
But nowadays, in online classes, already there are some software or So you can set a reminder for the classes, and also some coachings provides that kind of facilities to remind you if you are not attending the class for 2 days or 3 days. They send you a reminder or reminder calls. So it will not.
But I think like in schools, if we don't if we don't attend in school, we also get a message like you are absent today. You didn't come in at school, like that. We get that message.
I just counter their point that we in offline classes there are restriction, but in online classes it is our choice. So I just counter their point.
About the school, so in school we have doubts, so after the school we can't stay because we have to go to home, so we only check our doubts through online classes, like we see recorded video and we clear our doubts. So I think online classes are far better than offline classes.
But if you're talking about doubts, you can ask at that point if you are in school. Why are
Okay, but
you?
whenever we are revising at home, so at that time also we have some doubts, so there is no any teacher available at that time.
But you can go at that next day. But then you can
Next day
ask.
we forgot the doubts, so on the spot we have to clear our doubts, so I think it is better option.
And,
But we can call the teacher.
No teacher even, but with your friends you can talk.
Yes.
also there are in offline classes there are like example 1 hour classes, and teacher have to complete their syllabus first of all. So there are no time extra times.
Okay, your problem is of in offline classes you can't solve your doubts. Like you lack of time and teacher can't provide you the time to solve your doubts. But in online classes you even can't you solve your doubts. Like sometimes you can't find that same doubt on internet, and same like teachers are not available on that time. Teachers can't don't see your doubts, you are just struggling with asking your doubts. Sometime in online classes you are just raise hand for doubt, but teacher can't pay attention to you. But in offline classes, like you have a lot of friends, they are also studying the same thing that as you are studying, and they also know the like teacher explains some points, some topics, and you can't understand that topic, but your friend can understand that topic. That your friend will explain you that topic, and sometimes teachers will help you in a break time, in a recess time. They are available for you. And in some schools or coachings they are providing help desk, like they will help you after classes, after your after their time they will help you for your doubts, for your any explanation, any topic. So in I think there's a no topic like in offline classes you can't mm, explain, you can't understand your topics and that kind of things.
But I think it's a really major problems. For example, I faced these situations in my previous classes. For around 1 year, I didn't ask a doubt in the offline classes. For like in hesitations, we have.
But once if you once face there's hesitation, and if once you get that courage to ask your doubt, you can easily ask your doubts onwards. Because first time is a difficult for anyone. Like online, if you want to ask your doubt, there's also a difficulty. You can feel like that teacher will not pay attention to my doubt, I can't find this appropriate answer for my doubt. But in offline class you can ask once, and then you will be comfortable to asking your doubts. So it's not a point.
As you mentioned that we can help from our colleague or friends in the offline classes, so we can do same thing in online classes. Even online classes we can make group on WhatsApp, and there are many applications. So sometime if I face the some problem, so I mention in the group, so might be there are other student facing the same problem. So even by one of me all get the solution easily. And there is no restriction of time. We have to just put the we have to message on the group, and when teacher see the message, then that time in free time he can they can reply easily.
but you have to wait for that time. The teacher will reply you, and in online classes there's a not that kind of connections and bonds between friends, and also your there's a no social life of yours. You are not, you can't ask for anyone for your doubts and that kind of things, because no one there for help you, and no one is free for you, because might be you are facing another doubt, your friend is facing another doubt, your friend want that my doubt will I have clear first and then I will help you. But offline classes, it's a easy for explain your doubts. It's a 5 minute, you can clear your doubts within 5 minutes, and it's a not time wasting. But online classes, you can solve your doubts, but it's take more time than offline classes.
There are many applications where we can clear our doubt. You're talking that in online classes we can't clear the doubt, but I think online classes we can clear our doubt in a second. Like there are many AI apps where we can clear our doubts, and there are many groups like in Telegram also we have many teachers available. They clear our doubts in 5 seconds. So I think this is more better to clear our doubts in online classes rather than offline classes, because we have to wait for the student. Like first you will clear out your doubt, then I will ask, then he will ask. So it is lots of time waste. So I think we can clear our doubt online.
Online platforms and these applications or groups, they will provide you answer, not explanation, first of all. And for explanation and if you are asking your doubts face to face from your friend, from teacher, they can understand by your expressions, by your like how you respond on their doubt. They can feel like that you are understanding or not. But online you just get answer, it's not necessary all the time you can understand that what the meaning of the answer that written in the application or that kind of things. And it's not about only doubt solving. Like in if you are joining offline classes, you can get social interaction, you can face a lot of problems. Like sometimes you are in lack of confidence, you can't understand some difficult topics, you can't understand, and you feel like that I am not understanding the topic. Might be I'm that not that much good student, I can't pass the exam, and
But in
that kind of
class also,
things.
like many times we are not able to understand many things. Like if teacher explain us, so we again ask the sir, sir please explain again. So then also we are not getting those, so the teacher will not teach again and again. But in like online classes we can see video many times, and we can clear our doubts.
But you can get the same content many time. But in offline classes, if you are not understanding some topic, teacher will explain you in another way, and
So in online classes also we can see like another video of another teacher, and we can clear our doubts.
it may cause more confusion for that topic.
No, I don't think so. It will create a confusion. Like it will become easy.
No, you have to watch the whole video. Like you want to understand a chapter, you have to watch the whole chapter
No,
again.
we have to not watch the whole video. Like we can see only a single part. Like in YouTube, we have available this facility. If we want to see this topic, so we can do the video ahead and we can continue.
But don't you think it's a waste of time?
No, I don't think so. It's a waste of time because like it took only zero, like 1 second to hide the video.
Okay, but if you're talking about the YouTube, there are live classes in YouTube, and if you ask their doubt, the teacher will not even see that chat, and you that is the very waste of time. Like if you live classes and at YouTube, that is the very waste of time. The teacher is not looking at your questions also.
I think it's an era of AI, and we are daily use that kind of uh, one or other type of AI tools. And in AI chatbot, we clear our doubts in like it describe the solution in details.
But I think teachers also in offline classes, they also describe it very easy and very easy, like easy way, and which that we want to that medium of language we can get that also.
It's an confidence issue also. So many students are facing confidence issue. If one has a doubt in the class, and not a single student ask that doubt, so he will he think that uh, only I have that kind of doubts. So he will hesitate in asking the doubts and situations in the class. So online classes is far better than offline classes.
Okay, I will tell you one thing that a person who is taking online classes for 6 hours and 8 hours, he can't sit for 6 hours and 8 hours. If he will sit on the in the front of the screen, it means he will feel after the class is frustrated, and it is harmful for your eyes. Like you are sitting for 6 hours and 8 hours in front of the screen, and you are taking classes. But in offline classes, we can sit easily for 6 hours and 8 hours.
But in that days, uh, we have faced the screen issue in all our life, because after the education we got a job, and in we have to work on a computer all the day for 8 to 10 hours. So I think and also the so many specs are available in the market for screen.
So we are giving a step, we are giving a reason. It's our fault that we are taking we know that it is harmful for eyes. I am working on laptop, and we are taking classes. We already know that it's harmful, and we are taking this type of action. We can join, then we can join the offline classes.
I said we have there are a lot of option available in the market for specs to screen protect from screens.
So we can wipe out these type of things. It's totally in our hand.
But you mentioned that we can wipe out, but after that after that completed education, you have to do a job. So you have to face the same challenge. You have to spend your time in front of the screen. So how can you that time can you wipe out it?
No, it's compulsory that we have to do job, but it's not compulsory that we should taking classes like on the screen. We in child, like in the age of like a children, he can avoid these type of classes. He can take offline classes.
But you might be you can complete your school in offline mode, but after that if you want to do some IT courses and higher education, sometimes you have to join online classes, because as I have seen in the market, the IT big IT institute not available in every city. Like I recently I done some courses from Pune. So if I want to take offline, so I have to stay there and visit there. So I have to spend lots of money. But I did this course by online, so I save my money and time also.
But it is not only for IT. People are taking classes uh, like he don't need a kind of IT jobs, and many people are taking classes, and it's harmful. They can avoid the classes, but they are not doing so.
So if I'm not talking about the IT, if you go for a competitive exam in for offline, so that time there are 100 and 200 people sitting in the class.
Yes.
So they also use the LED for to cover the students. So it is also the online mode, because if teacher is sitting in front of the podium and 200 students sitting in the class, so might be the sound will not reach the last student till to the last student.
Uh, panel screen Panel screen is other thing, but we are taking classes like on the mobile phone, on the laptop. It's a other thing.
It is not other thing. It is the same thing. Like they are also taking the of they are sitting in offline classes, but they are taking their classes online. So it is not different. So I think they should not waste their time in come in the class and like take the classes. They can simply take their classes online.
They are not taking they are going for offline classes, then they will take offline classes.
Okay, like in a class there are like 5 to 600 students sitting, so they will definitely all the student can't sit in the first row, so they will sit in the last, so some of the student can't see the teacher, so at that time they are seeing in the screen and they are hearing the video like through mics.
Yes. uh,
I think it's a necessity for so many students. They have no another choice. if anyone wants to join an offline batch for like MBBS or sorry PMT or IIT, they have to spend around 2 lakh or 3 lakhs money a year. But they can cover the all classes for 1 year through online classes uh, around 30,000. So they save a lot of money.
Okay, you just said it save a lot of money, and in online classes you can get like mm, time flexibility and that kind of things. A lot of students prefer online classes for save their money, save their time. Okay, but in online classes you can't get that much determination, that much confidence, and that much motivation for daily taking your classes, daily solve your doubts and that kind of things. If it did, that is a one time investment. Like once you have invest in offline classes and offline mode, you will get classes regularly. You have to go to give your tests, you can get your daily performance, and you can talk with your friends. They might sometime like you feel like that you are facing some problems, and your friends will they will face the same problem. You can solve with them, you can ask the teacher for that. But sometimes in online classes you are facing some problems, you can't know that your friend is also face the same problem and same kind of things. But offline classes help you in that way. Like you just give the example of on for competition exam and that kind of things, you can get the courses in 30,000 and that in a less money. But you can get the less resources in that kind of thing. You just can take classes only. You There's not provide you the doubt counters and the doubt sessions. And sometimes you want to ask your doubt, you have to sit there for 1 hour. When 1 hour, then all the student asking their doubts, your teacher don't focus on your doubt. You are just regularly asking your doubt, you can't even focus on the other doubt students asking other doubt. But you are in sitting in a class, you are just asking your doubts from a teacher. Your teacher pay attention to all the student, and sometimes it's a doubt of not your doubt, it's a your friend's doubt and someone else asking some doubt. Teacher explain you, you have to pay attention on that doubt or at the time on that doubt. And sometimes might be you don't solve that doubt, and you just solve the doubt by the different method, but you can get the another method, the another easy method for the doubts. So offline classes give you better opportunities to learn a lot of things. And it like I think it's a better than online classes. It's not, you can't save, you can save your money, but it's not give you that much profits for your
I think you discuss as 10 years before era. Nowadays we have already have
nowadays the same
no
situation
no
I just faced.
I think it
you
is not only about doubt and social experience, it is also about a discipline, that strictness that teacher gave us.
they, that are a competitive exam and you need a like you need a
Like as we all join our English classes, we want some strictness, we want some some like upper people who like have that strictness on us,
that's
that he can help us with with our problem.
in online
That's why we
classes
join offline
we also
classes.
have a doubt sessions and also a test series. Of course they provide a test series and we have a test in every 15 days. So when our numbers are decreased, so we put strictness on our upon us.
There is a no restriction on you, like you are getting low score and you are not scoring that much, you can't regularly take classes. They will provide you a simple notification, you can ignore that. But in offline classes, the teacher in front of you, he's explain you things, he's motivate you for taking your classes daily. Sometimes you score low and you feel demotivated, you feel like that I can't do this, it's a very difficult for me. The teacher will explain you things like everyone face that hard time, everyone feel like that, you should continue, you should do this, you if you are not doing like that, you should do like that. They will explain you the another method, the another way to cure your problems. But in online classes you just get a notification, you if you ignore that you can't get the solution of your problems. And sometimes you just feel like that I no one pay the attention to me. I will take the classes when I want to take the classes. If I don't want to feel like that, I don't take the classes. And sometimes you feel like that after some time, first of all you are just explain detailed explanation of chapters. After some time you just move to the one short lectures, and after that you just moved on mind maps, and you can't get explanation for the chapter, for the topic. And
You are talking about motivation, so you know motivation come from outside, like no
no,
one.
no, no. In a early age, motivation not come your inside. In early age,
I
a
think no one
child
can
not
motivate
that
us. We
much.
only can motivate ourselves. Like I think like I will join the coaching, so I will get the motivation. So no, like I have to make my mindset that I have to be motivated.
In an early age, there's a no student like that. They made their mind like that. They will motivate by themselves. They are
But in the early
determined
age, we
by
used to
themselves.
go to school.
No,
But in the early age, we have to go to school. So in school, we learn all the things.
it's the inner
So
motivation,
they
the
normally see
spiritual
the video of
motivation is the
Sandeep
things of
Maheshwari. There are
30
many
year.
motivational speaker. So they only see the like I
They
can't.
don't motivate you.
Yes,
They
they
just
motivate in a good way.
no, no, they
Yes.
don't motivate you. They're just making money by their words. There's a not. They don't solve your problems. They just say anything like that. You are just you can give like you can do this, you can do that. No, it's not like that. Your problem is different. Someone have the different problem for, and they want to different solution for their different problems.
So who can motivate us?
A
According,
teacher will motivate us. That teacher will
how can you say that a teacher can motivate us?
because he will understand your problem. He personalize your, like he can understand what you are really facing in that class, in that situation, in that duration of your course.
As you mentioned that motivation speaker speak for the money. So teacher also come in school for the money.
I'm not say that teacher come for money. Yes, everyone want money. Even money is a necessary thing in nowadays. I'm not saying that teacher not working for money and that kind of things. But I just saying that the motivation speakers don't pay attention to your personalized problems. They are speaking generally, and no one relate to their words by their with their problems. Like I have different problems. A motivation speaker speak differently. I can get motivation for 1 or 2 days, but I can't cure my problem with their words.
And I also think it is not about the motivation, it's about the person who is disciplined. Like as we go in a school times or in a college, we have that discipline. As we in online classes, we don't have a discipline. We are just sitting on a bed, we just stay like this and that. We don't have that discipline.
You are talking about discipline.
Hmm.
If you want to go school,
Hmm.
so you have to make discipline. Like you have to get up early, get ready, and after that you will go to the school. So and if you are going for online classes, so even if you can't make discipline, so why you purchase the online courses?
That's what my point. If
So
you purchasing an
its
online buy and
discipline
that
come
and
from our side, not from other side.
That's what I'm talking about. As you say that Sandeep Maheshwari motivators and everyone who has that motivation speaker, they don't motivate us. We have to motivate, or we have to get that discipline as ourselves.
That I'm telling only that no one can motivate us. As that Kiran mentioned earlier, that like a teacher motivates us in the offline classes. So I am telling that we can also get motivation through online classes. Like we can see the video and we can get the motivation. So my point was that.
That's what I'm saying. That with watching a video, don't get a motivate. They like
I think
they
it totally
pump
depend
you
on
up.
person to
They pump
person.
you up. They don't motivate you. They pump you up. That you have that 5 minutes of pump, and that is shut down.
So in the
That's it.
class also we have
But
the same
as a
thing. The teacher
discipline, we
only
have that
came for
maintain line that
half
we
an
can
hour,
do
and that time
everything.
we get motivation from the teacher, and then after some time the teacher left. So in the only we in the offline class also only we get 30-minute pump.
That's what I'm talking about. The motivation is not the key. The key is discipline. As I say, motivation is
Okay, so what
like
is
this.
discipline?
But
You
as a
said what is
discipline is
discipline?
discipline is a thick line that as we stay at that point. Like if I am coming in a daily English classes, I am coming daily English
So
classes.
okay,
I
if
don't
I
skip
am
English
taking my English
classes.
classes daily online, so I will take. So it is my discipline.
Huh,
So everyone maintain their
like
discipline. It is not about like offline class or online classes.
if you get
Discipline is
motivation,
a
you are just
different
come
topic.
3 days, then you get absent. You come 3 days, you get
Like
absent.
I have
But
some urgent
as you
work,
have a
I am not
discipline, you
able to
come
come.
Monday
So
to
at
Friday
that time,
daily.
no, like I don't have time to come. So at that time, I will definitely take online class. I am not missing my class. So it is also a discipline.
But you are taking that is what the discipline. You are taking back that thing again. But as we don't have a discipline, as we don't have any online classes, we don't watch it. We just like do our other things. We don't do that things.
So in the offline classes also many students are not coming in the class if they don't want to come.
I will tell you another thing that a child that is taking online classes and he is like getting good marks like a 10 out of 10, then he will like he told about he said their parents, he will say their parents that I am performing good. But in like if he is not performing good, then he will uh, he did not like he will not tell their parents. And their parent these type of children and their parents will be in the dark about this that how my child is performing. But in offline classes, if you are not performing good, then the teachers will call your parents and they will tell about everything that
Did we really think the parents just purchase a package for the students and just on upon the students only? They also know all the details about the students' performance and all things. There are app or software for this child like school going students. They provide a facility to join the parents also.
but
They
you
are
know
in
that
the team.
but 8% you know that children are more intelligent. They can give the number of their friends, you know. So what about you? But in offline classes, parents teacher meeting are available. They know everything
If the
about
child
this.
are more intelligent but they don't have a money, parents have to buy the product for the children and they have option to set a reminder and a
No,
notification things in the app.
but children's parents are like if they are not educated, then they give the responsibility to the children that you should buy the course. But we know
If
that
the
children's
children
what
are not
they are
parents
doing.
are not educated and didn't know anything, so the online class is not for them also.
That's why I'm saying that offline class is more
But
beneficial for
this is the
students.
minimal.
Yes.
It's a part of parents taking care. Like in offline classes, sometimes children goes to school
Yes.
and they did not attend. They don't attend the classes. Sometimes they bunk from the school. So if the teacher and parents don't care about these things, so in that case, parents will not aware about it
Why
also.
are you saying that the parents and the teacher will not care about this? They will call your parents, that they will inform about this,
So
that
same
your
thing.
child is not coming the classes. But in online classes, if you are not taking classes, then they will not like call you their parents that you are not taking classes.
But if parents spend the money for classes, so might be they also in the last uh, they will take feedback from the online and sometimes they ask their children to then what have you done, what is your classes going, and what is about your next planning, something like that.
I think in online classes there are some children who irritate teachers and change their name with that. How
It's
the
not.
children give you feedback when there is a child who irritate teachers and change their name and making sound in between the class. But in offline classes they don't make that type of
In
sound.
online classes they have option. If you are doing like that, they can mute or
And
they
I think
can.
when you take a online classes there is a more like a network issue. But in offline classes there is nothing like that.
So it happen in offline classes also. Like if you go for school or colleges, so sometimes might be there is lots of traffic, and sometimes it's raining. So you same challenge you can face in the offline classes. Like if you have good infrastructure of internet connection and electricity, you don't face anything like any challenge like this. But sometimes it's happen because if your infrastructure is not working proper, so it happen. And sometimes we we heard that some school building collapsed today, and so it is possible in the offline classes. If building is collapsed, how the classes is going on?
Everything will be shut down. Online classes will be not there.
For example, in the offline classes, if you there are any season and you can't take a bus to the schools, and the class is going on, you have to attend the class again. In the online classes, you have an option. If you just miss a class by internet shutdown or anything else happens, then after 2 hours you can watch the class in a recorded session.
But I can ask my friends what teacher told us. Like yesterday I didn't come. I can ask him what he
Okay.
teach us.
Can he teach you? Can he teach you like teachers? For examples, if a teacher
And I think
teacher
when I ask him, I have a more like develop my social skills also.
if I teach you a sessions for 1 hour, you get like 90%, so your 80%, and you pass on the next student. If you pass there, then 5% of that whole session are going to the third persons. It's a research.
I am thinking that in online classes the knowledge is limited, but in offline classes the knowledge is unlimited, because you can be part of like other activities like sports. In sports you can go for tournaments, and it will be for like if you want to do speech, then you can give a speech in front of public. Then it is like kind of uh, like confidence.
I think we are discussing online classes, not for sports. Of course, we can't
But I am
play
talking about the
sports.
benefits of the offline classes.
Sports
Yes,
and
well,
online classes.
how
But he can go for sports like
After taking
that's a
online class also we
separate.
can go for sports.
It's a separate part. Not in the online classes or offline classes. In the online classes, you just or offline classes, you just get a class, not like sports or anything in coachings.
Okay, you just said first of all that in online classes, the rainy season, you miss your bus and that kind of things. You miss your lectures, and in online classes, you can take your lectures after that time when you are not getting internet. It's a very little, or it's like kind of silly excuse for that kind of things. If you are preparing for a exam, you are preparing for any kind of motivation, any kind of like thing, you just have to face these kind of problems in online class also and offline class also. So these kind of things are just only excuse, and I can't consider that kind of things. And you just said when you are asking doubts from your doubts and about last class from your friend and anyone, he will tell you only 80%, you can get only 5%, and someone else like it's you just transfer these knowledge to third person, he will get only 5%. But that 5% may help you to understand the next lecture, and you can connect like with previous lecture with the next lecture. But in online classes, they explain you the things like that. If you are not watched the last lecture, you can't understand about the next lecture. Like, okay, you are just taking a class in online class, you just teacher once teacher said.
In online class teacher before starting the class, so definitely the teacher will revise it what we have studied in yesterday class.
He just name of the topic, he just revised you the name of
No,
topic,
the
and
main
once
topic they always
once
revise.
in once the teacher said, I just
Online for the topics.
listen to me just first of all, I'm just what I am saying. Sorry. Like in online class you are just taking a class, and teacher once and twice a teacher said like this topic we covered in our previous lecture, this topic we just discussed in last lecture, you can see that lecture, your mind click like that, I have to see that last lecture, and after that I can easily understand the next lecture, and your mind like feel like that I have to watch the last lecture.
So, as you said,
Yes.
you can't consider that type of points like rainy season or
Network problems, yeah,
network problems.
because it's a silly excuse only.
It's a silly excuse only, and you have to dedicate to your exam preparation or anything.
Yes.
So why I spend a lot of money to offline classes instead of online classes if I get online classes in a cheaper rates and no other excuse as you say.
Offline classes for motivation, for your social life, for social support, and that kind of things. Like when you go to offline class you can get more knowledge, more confidence, and more explanation on topics. Sometimes just you feel like that you just teacher explain you something, some topics like that you have to make a trick for the topics, you can't able to make that tricks, but your friend can make the tricks and the mind maps and that short forms of that topic. Your friend will deliver that tricks to you, and that tricks and that small things will help you, but these things you can't get in online classes.
We
Offline classes is far better than online classes. You have to understand that thing, you will like fight me with the things, your points, but it's not that much effective.
I think we also we are discussing our 10 years before like situations.
It's
Nowadays
a
we
nowadays situation, you
nowadays
can't deny for that.
nowadays we can get all the data and like source
You
answer and
can get the
short
data only,
method
not explanation.
all explanation we can.
No, there's a no explanation, there's a only data. एक को ही बोलना है बस तभी तो मुझे एकदम okay. So as we discuss a lot of topics from your side and from our side also, and conclusion is like that online and offline classes is like both are important, and both holds their own importance in their own different ways. Online classes is better in different ways, offline classes is better in different ways, so both are important according to time, according to your money problems, so both are important. I think both holds their own importance in their own ways.
Okay. Okay, after discussing many points, so keeping in mind that the main topic is education. So doesn't matter that we are taking education online and offline. So according to me, education is important. So both the classes are better, online and offline classes.